Bring the hands to the heart. Inhale, reach the arms out and up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, arms out and up. Exhale, chair pose. Inhale, clasp the hands, lift the heart. Exhale, float forward. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, float forward and stay and breathe. Maybe take the hands side to side for more of a shoulder stretch. Feel free to bend the knee that's opposite the hands to add on. Relax the neck. And then back at center, take a half lift on an inhale. Exhale, release the clasp, fold. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, arms reach out and up. Exhale, maybe a little back bend. Inhale, center. Exhale, float the arms down. Roll out the shoulders. Bring the weight back into your right foot. Bend both knees slightly. Bring the left toes either to the earth in front or lifted. Arms out to the sides, loose wrists, loose elbows. Breath flowing. From here, create your tree. Again, the foot might come down first, maybe not. From here, create your warrior one. From here, back to that crane-like position. The knees bent, loose wrists, loose elbows. Tree pose. Warrior one. Again, move through however you need to. Last time on this side, find that crane-like position, kind of flamingo-y. Back to your tree pose. Back to your warrior. From here, inhale. Exhale, hands to the mat in front. Inhale, step your back foot forward, lift halfway. Exhale, fold. Inhale, arms out and up. Exhale, hands to the heart. Inhale, reach. Take it forward. Stay and breathe in your forward fold. Moving or staying in stillness, whatever you need. Sense your body. Breathe. Half lift when you're ready for it. Breathe in. Fold again. Breathe out. Arms out and up. Hands to the heart. Sense your body. Bring the weight into the left foot, both knees bent slightly. Once the weight shifted, the right toes come in front, either on the earth or lifted, toes pointing down, arms float out, nice and loose. In your own way, transition into tree pose. Warrior one. Back to that first balance, our crane-like position. And then to your tree, any arms. Warrior one. One last time through. Find your balance in your crane. Find your balance in your tree. And then your warrior. Inhale here. Exhale, let your heart lead you forward. Back foot steps forward, breathing into a half lift. Fold again, breathing out. Stay here in the fold. Again, maybe adding a movement. It could be a sway. You could bend out your knees. Find half lifts with your breath. Anything goes. If stillness feels best, hang heavy. Eventually, we'll come down into a seated position. If you'd like to get there by creating a low squat first, bend the knees a lot. Hands can be on the earth, the legs, at the heart. Breathe. When you do make your way into your seat, come into Baddha Konasana, the soles of the feet touching, the knees splayed open. Root into the bones in the back. Lift the heart, roll the shoulders. And come back to moving the spine with the breath. So inhale, heart forward. Exhale, round it back. Stay with that motion once you find it. Use your next exhale to hinge all the way forward to your level, hands wherever they need to be. Half lift with your next inhale. Bold again, breathing out. Arms out and up with an inhale. Side stretch to the right with your exhale. Inhale, reach up at center. Exhale to the left with your side stretch. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, twist right. Float the arms down. Inhale, unravel and reach. Exhale, twist left. Inhale, unravel and reach. Exhale, twist right and hold. The legs stay heavy. The spine stays tall in the twist. The face is soft. Inhale, unravel and reach. Exhale, twist left to hold. Again, stay tall. Breath deep. Inhale, unravel and reach. Exhale, float forward. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, fold. Last time, half lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, arms out and up. Exhale, hands to the heart. Inhale, reach back up. Exhale, float the hands down. Find Sukhasana, your easy pose. So, seated in a comfortable position, root back in once you're there. Again, find your breath, moving the spine, inhaling forward with the heart, exhaling to round. Inhale forward, exhale round. 2 more breaths. Come back up to a neutral spine, roll out the shoulders. Maybe change the legs if they're crossed. Make sure it still feels good. Root back in. Lengthen the spine. We'll stretch the eyes. So begin to take the eyes side to side, right and left. The face stays relaxed. The body, the head stays still. But the eyes getting a big stretch all the way to the right and then all the way to the left. Back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Take a moment, close the eyes. When you're ready, spine still tall, open them back up, look up and down, up and down, up and down. Kind of exaggerating the reach of the eyes up and back down so that you're stretching, strengthening. You can really feel it. And then take a moment, close the eyes once again, check in with your posture, nice and tall, yet relaxed. Open the eyes, look up to the right, down to the left, up right, down left, up right, down left. And continue moving at that diagonal, again working towards stillness in the head and the rest of the body. When you feel complete, close the eyes once again, just giving them a break for a moment. And then one last movement, the other diagonal, up to the left, down to the right, up left, down right. Stay with the movement. This time, when you're ready to release, close the eyes, rub the hands together, creating some warmth in the palms. Once they feel nice and warm, cup the eyes with the hands. Feel that warmth soothing the eyes. Take a few deep breaths here. Open the eyes softly in the hands. And then release the hands. Keep the gaze soft. And find your way down onto your back. I thought there was an ant biting my ankle. There was. Once you're there, the knees are bent. Lengthen in the low back. Cross the right ankle over the left knee and draw the legs in if that feels good for you. Find a movement or stay in stillness. Lots of options. Rock side to side or extend your leg. Maybe roll your ankle. You can play with pressing the right knee away from the body to add more to the stretch. For core work, you might lift the shoulders and the head up off of the mat. And then release. Take that same stretch, all those options to the other side. This side might be different than the other. Find out what it needs. And then when you release, check in with your body. See if there's anything else at all that would like a stretch or a movement. And then begin to make your way into your final resting pose. Adjust, readjust, get as comfy as you can. For your next few breaths, imagine drawing in light with your inhales, releasing anything that no longer serves you on your exhales. From here, imagine now breathing in love with every inhale, breathing out anything that's not yours. Sometimes we take in things that don't even belong to us in the first place. Use your exhales to let it go. Breathing in love, breathing out what is not yours. And now, if you'd like, begin breathing in peace, breathing out fear. And intuitively continue this visualization if you'd like. You know what you need. So breathing it in, whatever you need. Breathing out, letting go of whatever you need to let go of. Finally, breathe in love and goodness. With your exhales, send out that same love and goodness into the world. next inhale. One last time, just filling yourself up with so much love and goodness. And then begin to bring motion back into your body. Find your way over to one side on your mat eventually. Back up to a seated position. If it feels right, once you're there, one hand on the heart, one hand on the belly. The light within me truly honors the light within you. Namaste. Have an awesome day.